Okay, our last video for the day, and on this job until next time we're here. Okay, oh, there's my brother's sign, my house removals. Okay, he's the one supplying all the blocks and the steel. He set it all up, raised it for us, and because he's busy and I've got to get this done at a certain time, Frank and I are doing all the sliding. How it works. I just phone him up when it's got to come down to the right height, and then I'll probably end up doing that too, and then he's just got to pick it all up. We'll see how it goes. We work together. Alright, Frank and I are exhausted. 4 o'clock, 4:30 in the afternoon here on Saturday, and we've got it over. So he's just got the last few blocks to go, get tucked away inside the ties. I'm having trouble bending over anymore after moving all these ties 3 times today, let alone what we did yesterday. Alright, so she's over where it's got to be. It's just got to slide back 300 now, once they finally work out what's happening at the back. So that's next time, after they've done the they've got to dig the footings down. So now Pino and the crew got to go through here, dig all the footings through here, take that brick wall down, get the footing dug, get it all ready, then to build the better block wall that goes up underneath that bearer and outside the bearer, because they got another slab going over the top. And yeah, that's all that. It's always fun when you're 60 years old doing this stuff. Alright. Yep. That's it, just on four styes all cleaned up. Look at that, all bracing styes, so they can bump it with the excavator and no risk of it falling over. Fine, it's only a bump. They don't just wipe out the whole sty. And we're going home. Okay, thanks guys, thanks for joining us here on YouTube. I hope it was of interest. I hope you found some joy in it, and found something interesting, and would love to hear some of your comments. Okay, I'll respond to everyone. But yeah, if you find it enjoyable, you found it interesting, please hit my finger like button, subscribe button over here. Okay, that's great. Thanks guys, look forward to seeing you again. Sorry, but I'm just exhausted. I've had it. It's been a long day. I've been going since 6 o'clock this morning, and yeah, building styes and moving houses and yeah, doing all this stuff. It's hard work. A couple of ton of timber during the day, and we'll catch you later. I'm rambling on now, so I better get out of here. Thank you very much. Catch you again soon. Okay, love you. Bye.